Welcome to the June product feature update. Today, we're excited to introduce the MakersHub W-9 management module, which helps you efficiently manage and ensure compliance with IRS reporting requirements. So let's dive right in. The first thing to decide is whether you want to always require a verified tax form from the vendor before a payment can be scheduled. If the answer is yes, navigate to the admin panel, payment settings, and select the toggle Always Require Tax Form W-9. An administrator can always override this setting in the Accounts Payable section. Now, let's take a step-by-step approach to using the vendor list and adding our first W-9 form. First, click on the vendor for which you want to add the W-9, in this case, Carpet City. Ensure you have a contact with a valid email address in the contact information area. Then, click on Add a W-9 form. This gives us two options. You can either upload a current form you have on file by dragging and dropping, or request that the vendor securely submit their W-9 information through an emailed link. Let's go ahead and email a request. Select the vendor contact and write a brief email. Once submitted, the status will change to Awaiting W-9 submission. When your vendor receives the request through email, they can click on Add W-9 details and securely add their information by either uploading a document or filling out a form. The form is pre-filled and easy for the vendor to complete. Once they fill out the form, they can hit Submit and they're done. You will receive a notification email that will take you back to the vendor details. There, you can see that the W-9 is ready to review and verify. If everything looks good, click Verify and you're all set. You can also click on the W-9 link to review it at any time. If you or your AP department are trying to pay a bill for a vendor without a W-9 and you have the toggle selected to Always Require a W-9, you will see a red warning box forcing you to collect a W-9 unless you are an admin, in which case you can override and force the payment. To add the W-9 from the Schedule Payments screen, click on the vendor name and follow the instructions we discussed earlier. That's all for today's update on the MakersHub W-9 Compliance and Management module. Thanks for watching.